Hey, my name's Chelsea Bagazi with suburbanheresy.com, and I'm here with my model Nicole, and we're doing some beauty and makeup tips. And right now we're going to talk a little bit about how to do a smoky eye. It's really easy to transition a daytime eye into an evening eye by making it smoky. So I'm going to go ahead and start out by using a paint, and we're just going to apply this paint right on top of her eyeshadow, or you can just do it, if you wanted to just do a smoky eye, you can do this on just your naked lid without eyeshadow on top of it. But with Nicole, I'm just going to go ahead and put this right on top of what she already has on. The secret with a smoky eye is to make sure that it's really blended and also very clean, because there is a big difference between a smoky eye and a black eye, and you don't want it to look messy because then it won't look like a smoky eye. It'll just look dirty. It'll look like you slept with your makeup on and didn't wipe it off. So I'm going to start with a dark purple. You can use any dark color. You can use dark brown, you can use black, you can use dark purple, you can use any color that's dark for a smoky eye. And I'm going to use a deep purple, and this is a cream to powder eyeshadow. You can use a regular eyeshadow or a cream to powder, and I'm probably going to use a little bit of both. So I'm going to start with this with a firm brush, and I'm just going to apply this right here to her lid. So I have this right on her lid, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out by using circular motions. So we want to make sure it's really blended. So we've got that blended. And that's the top of the smoky eye. It's really simple. People think it's really hard, but it's simple. You just put it on and make sure it's really blended. And then underneath, I'm going to use a flat liner brush. I'm just going to use a little bit more of this cream to powder. Look up for me. I'm going to apply this right here in her lash line. And then using a pencil brush, I'm going to smudge it in really good so that it's nice and blended. And then the last thing I'm going to do with the smoky eye is I'm going to fill in the waterline with a black eyeliner. The waterline is this inner membrane on the eye, and it tickles. So be gentle when you're doing this, because it's a pretty sensitive area. But it's pretty normal for your eyes to water when you're doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Squeeze your eyes together. And when she squeezes her eyes together, that's going to put that liner on the top rim of the eye as well. Open. Look out to the side. All right, there we go. There we've got a smoky eye. I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing to the other side.